Hi everyone, today we're going to learn the difference between the verb saber and the verb conocer in Spanish. So, if you look at the dictionary, the translation will be to know. However, you cannot use one instead of the other. You cannot sub them. They are used in different contexts. That's why we're having this video. So the main difference, saber is used, we can translate it as to know, and it's used for informations, facts, scientific, historical data, mathematical data, and also to learn abilities or skill. For example, bailar salsa, cocinar comida italiana, montar a caballo, conducir. Conocer instead is used for deep familiarity, to be familiar with something. We can use it to express this familiarity with people, places, topics, artistic works. So it means that you have a personal experience with those topics. Today we're going to look at 5 rules on how to use them. Some of them with present tenses, some of them with the preterite. So in the past. So let's look at rule number 1. We use saber for informations and facts. Hechos. So we will see it with words like donde, where, cuando, when, cómo, how, what, qué, or si, if. Let's look at 2 examples. ¿Sabes dónde está el baño? Do you know where the bathroom is? So we're asking an information about the bathroom. Or another thing. Yo sé que la clase es a las 10 de la mañana. I know, so I know this fact, class is at 10 a.m. Rule number 2, skills or abilities. In this case, we use saber plus infinitive, so the hablar, vivir, conducir, dormir. And so let's look at 2 examples. Yo sé conducir, I know how to drive, or mi hija no sabe nadar. My daughter doesn't know how to swim. She is learning. Rule number 3, people. We use conocer plus a. So this is the a personal. So remember to always use the a personal with personas. Sometimes with dogs, not with a lot of animals. So let's look at an examples. ¿Conoces a la profesora? Do you know the professor? So do you know this person? We use conocer. And then rule number 4, with places, works, topics, we use conocer. So this is like we want to, meaning like you have experience with them, you're familiar with them. And so I can give you some examples. Nosotros conocemos Madrid. We know Madrid. We have been to Madrid, so that's why we know Madrid. No conozco esa novela. I haven't read that novel. I don't know this novel because I have not read it yet. And then the last rule, number 5, with preterito. Preterito is the past tense that we already learned in the previous lessons. So with the preterite, saber and conocer, they have a special meaning, and the meaning changed between saber and conocer. So for saber, we have conjugated like supe, which means me enteré, I found out. And I can give you an example. Ayer supe la noticia. Yesterday I found out the news. Or instead we have conocer in the past tense preterite. Conocí means I met. I met someone for the first time. So the first time I met someone. So for example, conocí a Anna anoche en la fiesta. I met Anna last night at a party. Before last night, I had no idea who Anna was. I never met this person. And so I met her last night. Let's recap. Saber equal information or skills. Conocer equal familiarity and personal experience. So let's practice. You have to pick saber and conocer and conjugate them if needed. Those are all the sentences. I'm gonna give you 4 minutes or more. I would say 4 minutes you can finish it, but I'm not going to record the whole video, so pause, complete it, and then I will give you the answer. In 3, 2, 1, now. Number 1, yo sé hablar con formalidad. So this is the ability. What can I do? I know how to use usted, for example, in this case. Or number 2, we have conoces. A alguien de Colombia. People, we have the a personal, so conoces. Number 3, no sé si el museo abre los lunes. Information, facts, hechos. Number 4, ellos ya conocen la ciudad porque vivieron allí. They already know the city, so lugar, familiaridad, place. They know this place, they've lived there. And then last one, ayer por fin conocimos al nuevo profesor de español. Frederick, yesterday we met for the first time the new Spanish professor. That's it for today. Adios.